Number 8, solve 30 over x equal to 6a. Okay, if your unknown is the denominator, you just exchange here. So x equal to 30 over 6, that will give you 5. B, 11x minus 3 is more than equal to 2x plus 9. First, expand, get 4x plus 18. And put the x together, 11x minus 4x is more than equal to 18 plus 3. So minus, so 7x is more than equal to 21. Therefore, x is more than equal to 21. 7, you get more than 3. When you want to solve inequalities, just need to take note. When you time or divide a fraction, time or divide when time or divide by a negative number, then it will flip. The sign will flip. For example, if this you have negative 7x is more than 3. 21. So x is 21 over negative 7. The sign will flip, will change. You just need to take note of this. Other than that, just solve normally. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.